Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Laravel. Today we are going to solve the issue the payload is invalid in Laravel when the payload suddenly becomes null. So basically the issue is that like whenever we do the encryption or decryption, so there is an issue while decrypting the value that is payload is invalid. Whether it's to be Laravel 8, 11, currently I'm working on the Laravel 11, so it's for 11. So why the payload is invalid in the decryption part? So what we have to do for that one? So first of all, you have to change your type of your data type. That is, if you are using the varchar, change to long text or the text, then issue will automatically disappear. So this I have checked this one, and this will help you to resolve that issue. Please try it. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.